I'm her first grade teacher, and she is a sixth grade teacher. I will give the
Hello.
chance.
Hi.
Yes.
Hello.
I'm Hyojang Kim. English name is Haley. Just call me Haley. Yeah. I'm a sixth grade teacher. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Hope that our students and teachers will willingly interact in this project, as they are very interested. They are very much interested in Korean culture, and they are eager to display, to introduce their own culture to you.
Baby, I'm no stranger to heartbreaking the pain of always being let go.
Hey boy, look, I'm gonna make this simple for you. You got two choices, yes